What's up, everybody? Just got off of work. About to go have some fun. We're gonna take these two Eureka 500 gram cakes. I'm debating on whether, fusing them together with some quick fuse, and I just want to try to get them to go up at the same time. I'm debating on, just hand lighting them and just seeing if they can line up, and I would like them to shoot off at the same time. But we're gonna go out, shoot both of these off, hopefully get some good video, and just have some fun. Check it out. The next video, when I clip back in, it's gonna be just straight dark and us lighting them off. So enjoy. Have a good one.
Fuck yeah, that was awesome.